Mira, bobo. ¿Qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo.
Here's how Nyla Green and Savannah Moreno Pico turned Accra streets into a runway revolution. I was in Makola Market scribbling notes for a fashion blog when a motorbike gang roared past, scattering chickens and vendors. That's when I spotted them. Nyla Green in a blazing orange Kente crop top and Savannah Moreno Pico in a silver embroidered buru tunic, their heels clicking like drums on the pavement. They were arguing with a street artist who'd sketched them without asking. "Pay us or burn it," Nyla said, her voice sharp as a kitchen knife. The artist tried to laugh it off until Savannah leaned in and whispered, "My face is copyrighted in 6 countries." He handed over his last CD. They dragged me to a tiny photo studio above a fufu stand where they were shooting a collection called Ghana Futura. Nyla's makeup was mixed with shea butter and crushed malachite, her hair twisted into a crown of copper wire. Savannah had strung her outfit with cowrie shells that clicked like bone maracas. "This isn't fashion," Savannah said. "It's war paint." Mid-shoot, a blackout hit, and the generator died. Nyla just lit a kerosene lantern and posed in the flickering light, her shadows dancing like ancestors on the walls.
¿Qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo.
Later they told me about their plan to smuggle 100 hand-dyed smocks into Milan Fashion Week stuffed inside cassava sacks. "Europe wants Africa's prince, but not our voices," Savannah spat. Nyla smirked and added, "We'll make them choke on the fabric." At dawn, they vanished, leaving me with a necklace of rusty nails and a note. "Tell them Ghana's beauty doesn't beg, it burns." Nyla Green, Savannah Moreno Pico, if you're out there. Your revolution still owes me a new pair of eardrums, but the world owes you a front page apology. Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road and more style than your ex could handle. Don't just scroll. Stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet. They strutted to drums pounded by Kayayuu porters, Nyla's hips swaying like the Volta River, and Savannah's eyes glowing like oil lamps in a blackout. Halfway down the catwalk, Savannah tore off her sleeve, showing scars from a childhood accident with a kente loom. "These mark the stitches that made me," she roared. Nyla followed by spitting a mouthful of red clay into her palm and slapping a handprint on the nearest camera lens. "Tell your editors our shadows don't need lighting." Later, I found them barefoot on Labadi Beach, passing a bottle of akbatashi. Savannah said she canceled a Milan contract over tribal chic requests. Nyla just smirked. "We're not trends, we're tsunamis." They're now building a studio inside a salvaged fishing boat to train teens in Adinkra pattern mapping. Last week, a photo of their beach runway hit Vogue's front page, with the clay handprint still smeared across the shot. Nyla Green and Savannah, if you're watching, your fire just melted my press pass, but Accra's skyline never looked so bright.